We're going to war. Give her.
Oh, yeah. Before.
So we got a 2005 Mazda 3 in the shop, and we're gonna take and put on one of these thrush mufflers, cherry bomb or whatever, glass pack.
Glass pack.
So we're gonna put on a glass pack, and we are going to make it work with all this scrap piping. Now this here was off of I believe a 2010 Mazda 3, so that all the bends and everything are pretty good. We're gonna go clean up that weld, make her look pretty, and then we got an extra tailpipe and another piece of pipe in case we need an extension or something, but I don't think we're gonna need too many extensions or anything, but ended up getting a couple extra pieces of pipe there just in case. So we're gonna get this put together and show you the before and the after sounds.
Before.